Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Coles County, northeastern Moultrie County, southeastern Fayette County, Douglas County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Arthur, or 9 miles northeast of Sullivan, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tennis ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: broadcast media. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Arthur around 8:30 p.m., Arcola around 8:35 p.m., Humboldt around 8:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Raritan and Ashmore. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 188 and 214.